What up, YouTube? We back with another one. Shout out to all my subscribers, all the people that follow me, that show love. I appreciate you guys. To anyone who looking for a lazy way to make money online, this is the video for you. Okay, so if you're new to YouTube and you're a beginner, this video is for you. W in the chat, let's get it rolling. Guys, content creation. Okay, I'm gonna be real simple with it. Content creation is the laziest way to make money online. Why? Because all you gotta do is document what you're already doing. If you're working out, document you working out. If you're at work and you just it's a type of job where you gotta sit down all day, but you gotta go over different things, record that, document that, all right? And after you do that consistently for like a month, look at those numbers, look at those videos, and look at what pops out at you. Okay, what video has the most views, right? What topic has the most views? And look at the videos with high engagement. Those are your money makers, the high views and the high engagement. That's obvious, but you have to be consistent to get consistent numbers. If you're inconsistent, you're going to get inconsistent numbers. You got to understand that whatever you put in, you're going to get out. All right, whatever you put in, you're going to get out of that. And it's a process. Now, for some people, it's a lot faster. And then for some people, it's a lot slower. Understand that your journey is your journey alone, because not everybody's content is the same. What I've learned is, just like what everybody tells you, being consistent is going to get you through the doors. Okay? It's going to get you through the doors. After that, you got to keep pushing. Now, this channel doesn't have a lot of subscribers, but that's simply because, I mean, this is a new channel. Okay, this is a new channel, but give it a couple months and this channel is definitely gonna blow up for sure. It's still a super new channel, so I'm gonna keep posting content, keep posting shorts, lives, videos, all that good stuff like I've been doing. I'm definitely going to up my video content, my long form content, okay, because that is the king of all of it. Okay, long form content. Okay, not only content is king, but if you want to extend that, you want long form content, and that right there is going to take care of you very well. And what I mean by that, the compensation, the monetization that comes with that is huge. It's numbers that I'm sure that you can't even fathom in your head. So this video is definitely for all beginners, okay, who want to get their content journey started, who want to start making content consistently, and who want to get away from their 9 to 5. Okay, I quit working my 9 to 5 a while ago, and because of that, I'm able to make the content I'm able to make. I'm able to get compensated very well because of it. And that's what this channel is about, helping you guys live your best life, right? And be financially free. That's the biggest thing about this channel, okay? So if you haven't subbed up to the channel, definitely sub up. It's completely free, and I give you guys great content, okay, on a lot of different things over different videos and such. Okay, I do post a lot about curb painting, and if you don't know what curb painting is, check out my videos. All right, you'll see there. But yeah, I post a lot about curb painting, but I also post a lot about making money online. Why? Because I think that's the laziest way to make money, okay? Because you could record content anywhere on the planet, okay? Anywhere on the planet, and you could pretty much record anything, okay? Show someone how to do whatever you do, okay? Show someone what a day in your life looks like. Show other people things that they wouldn't normally see on a day-to-day basis, okay? And that's, I truly believe everybody should have their own content brand, right? You should have a brand or channel that's dedicated strictly to you, okay? Your day-to-day life, your hobby, or you know what I'm saying, whatever your job is, all right? And it's real simple, but you gotta get started, okay? You gotta start making videos, even if they're bad videos. Ain't nobody looking at your first 100 videos. Let's be real. Ain't nobody looking at your 100 videos, okay? Your first 100. So after that, you see the numbers, you're like, okay, I got these 2 videos. They're very similar, and I'm gonna make more videos off of it, all right? That's just how it goes. You gotta be consistent. You gotta keep going, keep pushing. I think people should make one video a day, right? Make it a habit, and do that for 21 days. What do you have? You got a habit. So that's my take on being consistent on a day-to-day basis. I don't care if you're young. I don't care if you're old. I don't care if you've been doing it a long time. If you haven't, consistency is key, and content is king. Okay, with those 2 right there, you're gonna have a great future in content creation. All right, especially with YouTube and everything going on, and everything becoming more digital. Like it only goes up from here. Okay, it only goes up from here. Content creation has been growing over the years, and it just gets like bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, by a lot. Okay, it's not even close. The numbers are just crazy high. But people have to understand, like, competition, there's more competition with people that's new to YouTube, because there's more people that's new to YouTube. You gotta understand that. There's so many people that have a YouTube channel and don't post videos, don't post shorts, don't post live. They just watch other people's content. And if you could create content and not just watch content, you will get a lot further. Okay? And then you get to a position where you're literally just recording and documenting what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. That's it. You're already doing it, but you're recording it, and you're going from there. You gotta find your niche, right? You gotta find what's working for you. You gotta find those little small things on your channel and your videos that's going to drive your content and your audience and your community, just like this. Okay? It gets higher, higher. But you gotta put that grind in. Okay? You gotta put that time in. You see my little my strawberry I got there? That's from the grinder. That's from yesterday. Working. Okay? You gotta put that time in, and you're gonna get some bumps and you're gonna get some bruises. Okay? You're gonna get some bumps and you're gonna get some bruises. But I call those war wounds. Okay? War wounds. They make you look tough. Okay? It's gonna be a little tough on the way, but just learn from all the mistakes, learn from all the failures, and just turn them into lessons. Okay, turn them into lessons, and just try not to make the same mistake over and over and over and over again. All right, if you make the same mistake over and over again, that's on you. Okay, and everybody fails. Right? Everybody, it's learning from those failures that makes you the better person compared to the person next to you, or the person over there, you want to be the best you can be. Okay? You want to find your audience on YouTube, because everyone has a brand, but a lot of people just don't know how to promote their brand. They don't know how to record content, right, to promote their brand. And that's huge, because I see even 14-year-olds, 15-year-olds creating content, and if they can do it, definitely an adult or a young adult can create content, make money online. If you told me that I would make the money that I was making by just creating content years ago, oh my God. Oh man. I wish I started earlier, okay? But hey, that's in the past. We're going to be great now, and then try to learn from that mistake, okay? My lesson is, now I know better, so now I do better. Now I know better, so now I do better. And now I create content on a daily basis. I try to create content just all day, every day. All day, every day. All day, every day. And I'm just throwing. I'm throwing. And I'm going to see what sticks. And once I see what sticks to the wall, I throw more things that's like it. More things that's similar to it. Okay? You got to keep going. I'm going to keep going. Okay? I'm going to keep going. So you got to keep going. It's a process. It's a journey. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey for what it is. Okay? I promise. If you're in hell right now, keep going. Why stop in hell? Right? Why stop there? Keep going. Trust the process. Enjoy the process. Right? And just get better day by day. If you know who Mr. Beast is, he'll even tell you himself. Like, just get 1% better day after day. You do that, hey, everything's gonna come in place right there. 1%, because it, like, a week will go by, you're like, dang, that's a lot of time. I could have worked on this video, right? So you gotta realize, like, you got a small amount of time on this earth to make as much content as possible. That's how I look at it. I don't got a lot of time on this planet. And my goal is to make a lot of content, and I'm trying to make my clone. Like, I want to make my clone. I want to make on content. I want my whole personality, everything I've ever done, everything I ever do in content. Okay, on content. However you want to say it, look at it. Like, I want content for it all. I want my clone to be content. And I'm going to put it out there, and I'm going to put a lot of it out there, and we're going to see what sticks. I have a lot of plans for the future. I have a lot of plans for this channel and other channels, okay? And my purpose is to help as many people as possible on my journey. Okay? So if you're a subscriber, W in the chat if you're a subscriber and you're still watching this video, right? I appreciate you, right? Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and it motivated you and it inspires you to keep going, keep going. All right? It ain't going to be easy every day. There's going to be days that's going to be rough. I understand that more than anybody else. I get that. But I record the content I do because I know there's a way out of working at 9 to 5. I know there's a way where you could do whatever you want to do, and you know what I'm saying, and you go from there. That's what I push for. Financial freedom. That's what this channel is. Financial freedom. Not everything is about money, but everything needs money.